Hey, this is Johnny with Johnny's BMW DIYs. Today I'm looking at my BMW e90. As you can see, the windshield molding in the rear is just completely all cracked up. The corners are missing, and I bought the kit from the dealer. Hopefully it goes on easy. I'm going to try and spruce this thing up. Okay, I did a little bit of wiggling. This has a little metal frame in it, and it seems to be coming up good. Just want to pull away from the windshield so that you don't put any strain on it. And looks like it's coming off nice. Hopefully the whole thing is this easy. Okay, one piece off. These side ones are on there much tighter. May need a little trim tool to get them loose first. Okay, so what I've done, just got a little hook tool. Be gentle with your paint. And just got up underneath what was remaining. Did grab a hold of the molding all the way down, pulled it as far as I could this way so it's kind of not on the glass anymore. Use this little trim, or this little hook tool to just get up underneath it so I can start pulling the molding off gently. Don't want to put any strain on the glass. Something feels like it's not coming off easy. Might want to use some caution. Okay, that piece is off. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I bought a new bottom piece, but now that I look at my bottom piece, I think it's probably been replaced. So I'm probably going to return that back to the dealer. But we'll see. Once I put the new top piece in, I'm going to see how it all mates up and how it looks. I'm going to get that out of the bag. I'm going to clean this whole channel up. Make sure there's no dirt in there. No sense in putting a new molding over a bunch of dirt. Got my foot soaking wet. Succeeded there. Yeah, there's quite a bit of dirt in there. Probably a good idea to get it all out, every bit of it, because you want your molding to fit just right. So it looks factory and is factory. Okay, now that I've got it like that, careful these edges can have a little chip on them or something. Still a little crud on the face, but I'm going to kind of just go around lightly with my nail, get it off so that I know the molding is going to sit flush once I get it on there. Okay, so I've got all the edges cleaned. I'm confident nothing will be jagged as far as the top lip of the seal going up with the glass. I just want it to be nice and smooth once I get it on there. I'm going to try and put it on while it's just wet, but probably missed a little bit of soapy water on it so it slides on easy. Okay, I got my molding out. This is the part number for a sedan, e90 sedan, probably correct for both pre and post facelift. But just thought I'd show you guys that part number in case you want to just get yours from the dealer. Okay, I've got everything coated in soap, lots of it. I'm going to use a little plastic trim tool only to just tuck in the molding as we go. Start down here in the corner. Probably the best place to start. Gotta make sure this rubber's tucked below as we go. It should flow right into place with all this soap. Yeah, it looks like it's going on pretty easy. Make sure you got a lot of soap, because it'll just make it snap right on. It's gonna look so nice. So the side went on real nice. I'm gonna pour a little bit more soap across the top real quick, and then I'm gonna make sure the molding's tucked in before I start snapping it across. Okay, so it felt like I was a little bit short when I got to the top, so I pulled it loose just a little bit. Got this lined up at the bottom real tight, but just not, it is touching. It was almost tucked underneath, so definitely had it down too low. Just want to have a good orientation before you get going all the way with it. Man, it's going in a lot easier than I was thinking. Now that I've got this corner lined up, it seems to be going in there real nice. It's going to be a piece of cake. And you know, once all this soap dissipates, it's going to not be as slippery, and it will stay in place. I put bushings on this way all the time, and it's supposed to have some kind of special lubricant that goes away, but dish soap, I'd use car wash soap because it's all over my car right now. I want to strip all the wax off your car using dish soap, and that's what it'll do. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this. It's snapping in nice. Okay, so I got to the other corner on the top. So that showed that I was a little bit short, so you really want to kind of tack this one in place, so to speak. Go to your other side and kind of set this one up, make sure that it's got, no, it's kind of hard to tell until it's snapped in. What you're going to have to do is wing it. Again, this is real soapy, so it comes back off. You don't want it to look like it's being pulled that direction, so you want it to look nice and square. So hopefully just the fact that it looks nice and square will make it line up on the other side. Since this is a factory part, it's gonna, I got my fingers crossed that I get to the other side and it's gonna be just right. Alright, so I got it in there, got it set. As this soap starts to dry, you'll probably be able to push it down a little bit further. You don't want any wind noise, so you want to make sure it's down all the way. This corner's sticking up. I took my plastic pry tool to no prying, just kind of push the rubber gasket underneath into place, making sure that you got everything pressed all the way in. Again, this is all soapy, so you can just slide through. And now I'm going to rinse it completely, get all this soap off, and let it set up. And the reason, you know, I did all that cleaning at the beginning is to get that nice uniform fit across here. So it came out real good. It's pretty easy to do yourself, and you know, the molding's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it because the car is real clean, but all these rubber things start wearing out. They make it look old. This is Johnny with Johnny's BMW DIYs. Please subscribe, and I will keep videos coming your way. Thanks, man.